We're just working on this Mercedes Sprinter, and I've gone ahead and removed the access panel to gain access to the start battery. I believe that the start battery is faulty, but we've gone ahead and charged it up fully. If you need to see how to do that easily, you can watch my other video. Link will be down in the description, or just go to my channel because it's a short video. So we suspect this battery could be at fault. So like I said, we've fully charged it. Now I've got a voltmeter here, and I put it at 20 volts. And as you can see, it's charged. It's fully charged to 13 volts. So now to remove the surface charge, I'm going to go ahead and put on the lights. So just come over here and we'll turn the lights on. So as you can see, I've just turned the lights on. This is just to remove any surface charge that might be on the battery. We'll leave that on for about 15-20 seconds, and already we can see the voltage has dropped below 12.6. It should have been able to maintain it. So I'll go ahead and turn off the lights while you look at the voltmeter. So I've just turned it off. As you can see, it's now recovering to 12.6. So what we'll go ahead and do now is we'll turn on the ignition. And we'll just check the voltage. So just bear in mind there was only 2 halogen bulbs. It shouldn't have dropped so quick on a fully charged battery. So we'll go ahead and put the key in and turn the ignition on. This will activate the glow plugs. As you can see, the voltage is dropped because it's under load at the moment, because the glow plugs are heating up the engine. Now after waiting about 15-20 seconds, we'll go ahead and start the vehicle. As you can hear, it was quite sluggish to start. And now the voltage is recovering because the alternator is switched on. And so it's a decoupling alternator. So it sensed that it needs to charge the battery, and that's why it's coupled that clutch. If you want to quickly test your alternator, also put on all the loads as you can. Put on your lights, put on your high beams and everything, and just make sure that voltage is above 13.5 at least. Sometimes you have to give it a few minutes on the Sprinters, and most modern vehicles with a clutch on the alternator. When you want to really test the alternator out, rev the engine to about 2000 RPM, and the voltage should stay stable, and it should rise up a little bit. As you can see here, it's at 13.5 now. So that means that the voltage regulator is good on this alternator, and we know that the battery is at fault. We'll just go ahead and turn off the ignition. Lights are still on to take off the surface charge on the battery. So we'll leave that on for 10 seconds and I'll report back. As you can see, it's already dropping rapidly. So this vehicle definitely needs a new battery. Simple way to test your start battery in any vehicle.